What's up, guys? Today, we're going to be cleaning out my closet. I love thrifting and I love buying clothes, and it's kind of a problem. I try to be mindful of what I buy more so now. Also, I'm running out of closet space and I want to go thrifting soon. I have this thing in my mind, this sort of back thought that's like, Haley, you could just upcycle this, and I don't have any idea. I'm gonna be doing a little bit of a Marie Kondo-ish method where you take everything out. Anyways, let's get to it. Okay guys, this is the main part of my closet. I know it seems tiny, but on the other side here, there's this sort of organizing thing. As you can see, I have everything dark down here, and then up here, I have the main clothes I really wear.
It's very colorful.
As you can see, my style really consists of very colorful things. First, what I'm going to be doing is I'm just gonna take everything out of here. Let's get started. I did leave a few dresses in there because I know they're very special dresses. A few of them I made and then the other two are like an old homecoming dress and an old prom dress I very much love and has memories tied to it, so I'm keeping them in my closet. We have quite a pile over here. Let's go get to it. It's a lot of clothes. Let's start sorting through them. There's going to be 3 little things that I'm going to do with the clothes that I do not want. 1 is hand it down to my sisters. 2 is to upcycle it if I have any ideas and I'd actually wear the thing that I'd upcycle. 3 is to ask my friends. I think I might make a Poshmark.
Check out my Depop in the description box below. Do it now.
Finally, if I feel like it can't be donated or anything like that and no one wants to buy it or take it, then I'm going to donate it. If you want to donate something, make sure it is the last resort. Anywho, let's sort through this.
We now interrupt your daily programming to see propaganda from Haley.
I'm about to talk about black coffee for a second. If you don't like black coffee and you put like so much creamer in your coffee, like you are such a black coffee. It's great. It makes you more hyper and like it tastes bitter, but it tastes good. Iced black coffee is the best. Coffee is legal drugs. Anyways, let's get back into it. Okay, so you can kind of see a little bit of a pile behind me. This is the stuff I'm gonna go through it again just to make sure. Over here,
this is a pile of things I'm going to give away or sell.
Anyways, I feel bad that I'm getting rid of so much stuff and then I'm gonna go back to the thrift store and get more, but I guess there's always a cycle of clothing. I thrift like 80% of my clothes. I try not to buy things from fast fashion brands. I don't 90% of the time unless I see something I really like. Anyways, there's a lot of stuff here and I'm gonna go sort through all of it, and I'm going to put stuff I really like back in the closet. I'm gonna go through the rest of this and put it into a few piles.
Ryan Little.
Look at this. This is my closet now. Got rid of half of it. I'm gonna organize this in a bit by color and by style. In the meantime, sort through all of the stuff on the ground that I no longer want. Now it may not look like it, but I have so much more room in my closet now. I don't have to squish everything together like I used to. Hey guys, I'm editing here and I completely forgot to make an outro for this video. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. I'm trying to post more often. I did film this video like over a month ago and I've been putting off editing it. I'm trying to get back into the swing with things with YouTube and stuff, and it's been hard and I've had to push myself to do more videos, but I'm starting to get back into it. I'm starting to be more productive and I'm excited to start producing more content. Next few videos are gonna be fun. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed it. I am a very small channel and it really does mean a lot to me when you guys support me. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter and TikTok, because I post on there the most. So anyways, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye, see you guys later. Shloop.